So hello guys, today I'll show you how you can export a video on CapCut in which you used all the pro features of CapCut. So let's begin. So there you can see I have a video in which I'm going to use a pro feature, like I'm going to enhance quality. And yeah, this is a pro feature, you all know. So as you can see, the quality is announced. So as you can see, now I'd used an enhanced feature. So the CapCut is not let me export the video. Not because of the add-on feature, but I did this video from library, so maybe it can cause copyright. So I have to edit it. So I'm putting a sticker so I don't get a copyright. That's why I have to do this. So now you will see. Yes, I'm announcing to please subscribe. Oh, let's do other stuff now. So as you can see, I can't export the video because I have no CapCut Pro. So let's see what I will do. And yes, you too, copy me. So let's begin. After these all things, you have to do is that you have to make a compound clip of the project. For this, you have to select all the things and then you have to make the compound clip of the project. So after making the compound clip, so as you can see, my PC is so slow. Please subscribe so I can get a new one. Then you have to deposit the same compound clip. So let's see. I'm bring a voiceover. So the pre-process is done. Now you have to open the run command and write update on it. So now the next thing is we have to go to the local folder, then go to the CapCut. Yeah, down there. So open the CapCut folder. Now go to the user data, then the resources, no projects, then the middle folder, then go to the project. Yeah, the same there is written. So then you have to go to the combination. Then there's the pre-process video. So minimize this Files Explorer or whatever we call it. Then close the CapCut. So I will tell you later why we have to close the CapCut. So you have to close the CapCut and then reopen it. So then open the project. So now what you have to do is to open. So yeah, first of all, let's see. We can't export the project still because we use a lot of pro features. So then open the minimized File Explorer. Then prop this pre-process video in there. So then you will have to take this pre-process video, put it right front of our previous video. Oh, I think my PC is frozen. No, it is not. So then we have to delete the previous video. Yep. So now we can export our project. Yep, this is so simple. If I sound weird because I'm doing a voiceover, my channel is new. So, you know better than me. You're watching YouTube a lot before. So, it is exported now. And please subscribe. This is the video on which we use the enhanced video something. Subscribe.